Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to make some hot pot or porridge potatoes, whichever name goes best. So I have my blended spice. I have some leeks, onion, and tomatoes. So this is my goat meat. I just went ahead and I added in some Maggi seasoning, salt, white pepper, black pepper, curry powder, and I also added in some paprika. Then some blended spice like ginger, garlic, and bell peppers. So I'm just giving that a proper stir. Then I'll go ahead and cover the pot. I also have my chicken on the side. So my chicken has been properly spiced. So I went ahead to fry my goat meat. And now that is properly fried, I'm just taking it out of the oil. Then I'll go ahead to pour in my onions, and I'll give it a proper stir, and I'll let the onions cook for about 5 minutes before I add in the other ingredients. It's been 5 minutes. I'll just go in to add in my tomatoes. Then I'll just give that a proper stir. Then I'll let the tomatoes cook. So I'm going to leave this for about 15 minutes because I want the tomatoes to cook. So it's been 15 minutes. Now I'm adding in my blended spice, which is made up of ginger, garlic, some red bell peppers, onions, and some hot peppers. So I'm just giving it that a proper stir while I'll let it cook for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes now and my spice is properly cooked. So I'll just go in to pour in that is my goat stock. So I'll just give everything a proper stir. Then I'll go in to add in my potatoes. I peeled my potatoes already. So here is my potatoes. It's been properly washed. I'll just go ahead to add it into the sauce. I'll put everything into the sauce, and I'm going to add my Maggi seasoning and salt. Then I'll stir everything. I'll let everything mix properly into the sauce. And I'm going to cover my pot, and I'll cook the potatoes to a complete boil. So I'll cook my potatoes, then I'll be checking the potatoes maybe after every 10 to 15 minutes because the potatoes here doesn't take time to cook. Maybe in like 15 minutes the potatoes will be already cooked. So I'm just adding in my Maggi seasoning. I added 3 Maggi seasoning, then I'm adding in a reasonable amount of salt. So I'll just mix everything, then I give it a taste to know if everything is okay or if I'm still to add something. Then I'll just cover the pot, then I let it cook. So after 5 minutes, I went ahead and I added in my sliced leeks. So I'm just going to stir that. And it's been 15 minutes. My potatoes is cooked. Just look at how good it looks. And it tastes so yummy. So I'll just go ahead and I plate out some of the food so I can go right in and give it a taste. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you watched up to this point, I say a very big thank you, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to get a notification. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.